pack. What's good? Where my dogs at?
What's up? What's
Good.
up?
What's good with it,
Over
Fico?
here rubbing my hands like
Man.
Birdman, baby. Ready to get this chicken.
Man.
Ready to get this money this week, man.
Right on.
Yo,
I'm repping, did I say?
Hey, hardly home, but always repping. That's what's up.
Hey.
Man, how y'all Saturday going right now?
Man, I'm cooling, man. I'm hyped though, man. You know, my alma mater, SC State, they on the field right now. Matter of fact, just scored a touchdown, quick slant.
Y'all tie the game up?
Tie the game up. We, you know what I'm saying? We playing Jackson State, so I'm hyped. We lit over here, so you know.
And nobody really wanted to give y'all a chance, man. That's what's up.
Yeah, man. We you know, we holding it down, man. You know, we humble with it, man. We you know, we proud amongst ourselves. We don't talk out like that.
That's what's up. What about you, boss gang?
Man, I just been up reading, researching, getting free airdrops of NFT money and NFTs and stuff. Has been crazy. So just doing my work, doing my homework, and then I'm about to go make some cash later on today, like I always do. So yeah, man, I'm sticking to the script, man. About to get these people that work, man. You know how we do.
That's what's up, bro.
That's what's up.
Man, ladies and gentlemen, we here, you know, just a little bit later than normal, but you know, we're gonna get you to where the money resides just as usual, like we do every single week. Man, we got some crazy, you know what I'm saying, situations going on right now around the globe. Obviously, Amarion is trying to go triple platinum. Out of all the variants that could possibly be trying to run rampant around the U.S., no one has called the TVA yet. So since Disney can't come handle it with the Time Variance Authority, I don't know, you know, what's gonna happen. We got global warming kicking up. It's about 64 degrees here in Southern Ohio on the 18th of December. I don't know what the temperature is like in Cali. Last I heard, it was cold where y'all was at, and it was
it's 61 degrees right now.
Y'all getting back to normal.
Yeah, it got a little bit better. It still got a little bit better,
bro. Like it, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of things going on right now in the simulation, but one thing that is going to stay constant, we're gonna show you where the money resides. That's for damn sure. Shoot, man, let's just go ahead and hop right into things real quick. Last week, boy, it felt like a pump fake, amongst other things. If we go ahead and take a look at SPY, let's go ahead and clear his drawing set. Get up out of here, baby. Things, you know what I'm saying? The week was strong, just like we had pretty much figured things were going to ride off, but we had a bounce back, coming back down. The volatility was getting high, and you know, if you were day trading last week, boy, was you pissed. There, you know what I'm saying, things didn't pick a consistent direction, and at this very moment, if you take a look at SPY on the week, it looked like chop. Just keeping it real with you. So this is one of those moments when you definitely got to be sure about where institutions are rotating their money. We just finished quad witching last week. To be honest, just as normal, which was kind of boring. Nothing to be afraid of. You know, the only witches I don't really mess with is the Sanderson sisters. But you know what I'm saying, that's about it. But look, let's just go ahead and jump into these sectors. We're gonna take a look, kind of seeing the setups that we got flowing. I'm gonna check and see what y'all looking at. I'm gonna tell you what I'm looking at. We're gonna get y'all up out of here. We're gonna move real quick. So jumping straight into things, materials right now, you can see we have full time frame continuity to the downside until you get to the month. We still got a green month. We still got a green quarter. We still got a couple weeks left. But we are red. We finished red in a week and had a red day. On XLC, similar situation. We did have a red quarter, green month, red week, green day. We got a lot of conflict, going on right now. But you can start to see some patterns forming around the volume shelf on the day and the week. I'm still very confident about XLC. It does have magnitude. The setup for the 322 month is is cooking up. You might just be a little bit early, but pay attention to how things are forming right there at the bottom of that triangle. And in the XLE, we have a green quarter, but we got a red month that went 2 down. We do have a red week and a red day. Energy not looking too strong, could get more chop, or we're gonna go move to the downside back down to $50 on the week. As far as that volume shelf is concerned, on the profile on the bottom right side of the screen, you can see at that point of control area, there's some gaps to fill down there. So there's a chance that energy makes a bit of a move lower. XLF looking somewhat of the same, except its volume shelf is not as far down. You have a green quarter, red month, red week, red day. With XLI, similar situation. Green quarter, just barely green month. You do have a red week after pulling a 2-2, stuck and finished at 102.44, and a crazy dip after a 1-2-2 day. So as far as the week is concerned, could do a combo move and make its way back down to 99.33. And if we pull up XLK, we have a green quarter, red month, red week, green day. XLP staples, we told you which money was going to reside 2 weeks in a row, straight smashes, grand slams the past 2 weeks on that. We got a green quarter, green month, green week. Didn't fully turn into a shooter, but did have a red day. Honestly, I'm looking at things, it looked like corrective activity. If I jump into XLU, I have a green quarter, a green month, a green week, and a red day. I'm gonna move there. And healthcare, if you want to know where the money resides, healthcare staples look very similar. Not much of a pullback on staples, but if you look at the day after having a red day and a 2 down, so looking like a little bit of straightening. The money's over there. If you ask members in the pack what they were smashing off of, especially with swings, something in staples, definitely something in healthcare. Let's jump straight into last but not least, discretionary. We got a green quarter, red month after the 2-2. After that shooter, we got a red week, a green day. It's moving down. There's no doubt about it. That's the way things are looking. Boss Gang VIP, what do you have for us regarding going into this week before Christmas as far as the Trader's Almanac is concerned?
Yes, yes, yes. Well, I am definitely excited about this upcoming week. We have been able to find the money week after week after week. And this week will be no different. I have some really, really good ideas about what's going to be happening this week. This is Christmas week. When it comes to these holidays, the sentiment is typically very, very bullish. People in good spirits. The week after the contract expiration and the quiet witching, the Dow has been up 22 of the last 29 sessions with an average gain of just under 1%. Of course, coming into the Monday, we always have this volatility over the weekend, sometimes gap ups and gap down, so the market can kind of be shaky. But just going through the rest of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we expect to be absolutely bullish. The market is closed on the 24th and 25th in observance of Christmas. So Christmas Eve and Christmas. So, people are going to try to make some money in this upcoming week. We saw some strength at the end of the week in Russell, saw some strength full-time frame continuity in X and me. So I'm going to be looking at some of those and some of the things that show strength at the end of last week. But with that being said, I'm going to shoot it back to FICO. We about to get into it.
That's what's up, man. So definitely gonna stay on my P's and Q's this week. Honestly, outside of the things that I got a lot of time on, I don't really necessarily see the reason to, have to rush into anything, what I'm saying, crazy or nothing like that. This is the reason why we get time, obviously. I rolled over, what I'm saying, some things regarding Walmart into this week. Kind of see how that goes. What I'm saying, took profit on Coke. It was like well over like 712%. on last week's monthly, and we're gonna move on to the next play, bro, and try to get that thou out. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Well, appreciate that, boss gang. Investing for legacy, my guy. You up? What's good? What you got for us, bro?
Pack family. How y'all doing? I'm gonna just keep it simple this week. I'm gonna focus on where the money's been residing already. I love the plays that I love the video game sympathy plays that that Boss Gang highlighted a few weeks ago. So I'll just re-highlight those. I am when it comes to if XLC continues to run, I love ATVI because again we don't want to keep trying to guess where the money's going, and it's been I'm sorry. XLC is actually one of the sectors that I can see some nice potential to the upside. So that XL it's only been real estate. It's been FICO. He already highlighted what's been running already. So excuse me here. I'm a little late, so I'm a little discombobulated. But if XLC decides to continue to reverse to the upside, I love Activision, ATVI. I love EA, and I love Take Two. Each of those have the same stocks pretty much. They're all on the same trend reversal pattern going on. I'll let whichever one FICO brings up, I'll go into further detail about. He's bringing up ATVI. This is Activision. I'm not sure if I know Boss Game, he covered a lot of the video game plays. I'm not sure if he said all three of these, but I am loving the setup that I'm seeing on all of them. Plenty of room to the upside, some gaps to fill on the upside of this Activision. Same sympathy, same reason why Boss Game mentioned the last a couple weeks ago. Holidays are looking beautiful for video games, and we see plenty of room to the upside. So this is some great plays to watch. If XLC, if the communication sector decides to keep reversing up right now, those are some great plays that I will be watching. All video game sympathy plays. Another two, if XLC decides to continue to reverse up, is T-Mobile, TMUS ticker symbol. Loving that setup, and Verizon as well, but we'll stay on T-Mobile right now. They both have similar patterns on their chart as well. Two cell phone giants here. I can easily see them popping for the holidays, getting some on sale on electronics. What am I seeing? On the quarter there, it's a nice hammer forming on FICO screen. I didn't even bother to check the quarter from everything that I seen on the weekly and below was what made me satisfied. The day, nice doji forming. If you see the month calendar, month chart down there on FICO's left, you can see it's a nice reversing going on the monthly, starting to. It's still a 2 down on the month, but it looks like at this point it's going to go 3 up for sure. It's more than a third of the previous bar. If you look at the week, nice 2-2 rev reversal, certainly there. So I'm expecting more to the upside for these phone companies, both of these EVs. So again, everything that I mentioned so far is only if XLC decides to continue to reversal up. But as far as the easy, where I think the depth, without a doubt, how strong XLP has been running lately. I'm still loving Coke for what my brother FICO took profit on. I'm still loving that to the upside. Really loving Campbell's Soup as well. Really, that's the chart that I really would like to talk about. FICO, these things are just running on continuations, and there's no reason for us to try to guess right now that XLP would slow down at all. Campbell's, though, I am loving what I'm seeing on the weekly. Plenty of magnitude to the upside. I can see this thing getting up to $50 easily, reaching that magnitude level of $50, $49.23 to be exact, within the next couple of weeks, certainly. Especially with COVID fears still being always on the rise. I know this was a nice sympathy play, and then just the sheer strength behind this sector right now. It's been one to watch for sure as well. So I will be looking for a 2-up on the week when it comes to Campbell's. Some great, nice, affordable monthly contracts, so we can get at least a month out with these. I saw I'll highlight them which ones I saw inside the pack, but I'm loving Campbell's as well. So yeah, I just want to stick where the money has been, which has been real estate, XLP, XLU. The brothers have been highlighting many stocks in those inside the pack. We don't want to keep looking, trying to find where the money's going when we know it's where it's been. Again, the only sectors that I'm looking for the money to continue to rotate into is XLC and XLF right now, financial. So as you can see, I'm mainly just focusing on SPY right now. XLF is another potential sector that I see money to reversing into. FICO, that'd be the last thing I highlight. I don't even want to go into any other indexes right now. Just kind of want to just keep it simple for the public. Yeah, I see some money reversing slowly. It's still consolidating on the weekly. Hasn't done much on the weekly yet as well, but financial end of the week respectively for sure. FICO, I'll leave it there. Also, Boss Gang, he mentioned it briefly that we started to see money rotating in the small caps. So I will mention the Russell IWM. I would love to see money continue to rotate into that sectors. We know how plentiful and how we can literally take that when the small caps are running, it's beautiful for the whole entire market. And that's literally when you can turn $5 into like 500 a lot easier, you know, with those smaller contracts, with those small caps. So we love those small caps when they decide to run. So we will be watching that as well. So I'll pass it on. Let you guys finish from here, and let's go.
Hey, he said IWM. He get my attention.
yeah, you kill those small caps, brother. But yeah, we're gonna keep Pack will be watching for when the money's completely over there for sure.
Bruh, absolutely, man. Appreciate that.
Yes,
Appreciate that legacy,
y'all.
man. Hey, once again, bro, happy birthday, man.
Thank you,
I know
family.
a birthday beard when I see one, my guy.
Yes. Oh yeah. Your boy finna go check out Spider-Man soon too.
That's what's up, man. I hope you enjoy your weekend, bro.
Thank you, family.
Let's see, Boss Gang VIP.
Yo,
Big bro, what you got for us, bro?
Yo, I got a lot of setups. I'm gonna be quick, not gonna take too long. So get your pen and pads ready, get ready to run the video back. About to get into it. First ticker symbol ARVL. I'm gonna get a level $8.08. You guys can check out the setups for yourself. So ARVL above $8.08. One legacy mentioned, Activision ATVI above $62.06. Another one, ticker symbol ZNGA Zynga above $6.61. Got to get to my semis, of course. One we've been tracking, of course, MU. We gotta keep that one on the list. I'm looking at that on the day entry on MU above 83.29. The week is pretty far away. So I'm not interested in waiting until it fills up the week on MU. Charge point above 1923 on the day. Weekly entries are always safer, but I'm feeling pretty good about the market going into next week. Another one I'm bullish about that I suggest people get time on, could probably double or triple within the next year. Solo, SOLO. Got two entries, one above $2.61 and one above $2.75. I like Solo. DraftKings, of course, very inexpensive right now. Get some time on this one. You got Super Bowl coming up, March Madness. All the sporting events coming into the biggest time of the year. DraftKings above $29.23 on the day and $30.46 on the week. Of course, small cap EVs, workhorse above $5.42. Pretty clean there. XME finished super strong at the end of last week, so I'm definitely interested in XME stocks. Alcoa, AA on the week above $53.78. Definitely like that. I like X, of course, we love X. $24.10 on X. One of our favorites, another in Cleveland Cliffs. We've made a lot of money with Cleveland Cliffs. Looking at Cleveland Cliffs, I have a couple entries on Cleveland Cliffs above $20.75 on the day and $20.98 on the week. The next ticker, Dropbox, ticker symbol DBX. Got a couple entries on Dropbox on the day at 24.43. Dropbox on the week at 24.73. And of course, we're already in AT&T long XLC. So AT&T above 23.84. AT&T is one I would suggest that you get a lot of time on. It has a ton of potential to the upside, like Legacy mentioned earlier. So that's all I got. Keeping it simple. Get your homework, get your levels set, wait for the triggers, and do what you do.
As always, absolutely fire. Appreciate you, Boss Gang VIP.
Yeah.
Mr. Check My Resume. Bro, is the game still tied? You muted, my guy. Hey, you muted.
Damn, I'm over here lit. But nah, we up 10-7 at the half. You know what I'm
Yo, for real?
Still go before the halftime.
Ladies and gentlemen, his alma mater is on ABC Prime. Like, just, bro. National.
South Carolina State Bulldogs. You know, we going against prime time and them boys. You know, they fast, they big, they strong, they got a lot of money too. So, you know.
That's what's up, man. We getting Hoodie Earl right now, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah,
what you got for us going into this week, bro?
Man, feeling good, man. You know, it's been, you know, a little rocky overall for the market, but, you know, as we've been talking on those Zoom calls, there have been days where I didn't even know the market's been down. So I just been kind of like, you know, feeling real good about where we've been overall, you know, from the standpoint of the group. Call outs we've been making, we've been hitting it on the money with XLP. It looks like XLV has been growing over the last couple of weeks. You know, the Abbey vibe been pumping. It's a couple of those that laggards that are going to, I feel, you know, pop this week as well. So I'm gonna hop right into it though. I'm gonna get into some familiar territory though first. First one I seen though was AMC. And I, you know, it's just like me, man. Jordan fade away on the block. I'm right here looking for my go-to weekly reversal. It's I got this 122 above $30.71. You know, it shows some really good strength on Friday. Looking for that to continue, especially if the overall market continues to behave the way it has. And based on the setups, I'm looking in like XLY and some of the other sectors. It may, you know, if we're not bearish, it may just be flat overall. So this is a good opportunity for AMC to make a move. Next one I have on the list is Roku, one of your babies. FICO, we got a 322 on the week above 237.18. I really, really like the Roku setup. Looks like it had a really good Thursday and Friday. So that's something that I really like going into next week. Also, this is something that we already in, but I really wanted to like put a marker on it because I know we called this intraday last week. I think it was Thursday or Friday. I can't remember, but Uber. I know a lot of us are in the Uber, but we got a 122 setup on the week above $40 flat. That's our entry point there for Uber. Moving on. And Boss Gang, I really, really liked your list, my bro. We got a lot of the same stuff, so I'm not going to get into some of them. But one of them one play that I saw that I really like, you know, price, you know, is really low on, and that's Beyond Meats. We got a 2-2 rev on the week. And your levels on Beyond is at $70.58. Really like the level on Beyond as well as the setup. So really looking to see if that one can reverse. Also, another one that I like that was really on discount, as we like to say, and that's Laser, another small cap. We've got looks like a weekly reversal, 212. And that's above $16.22. Another one I like, Boss Gang, I already talked about it. That's Workhorse. Won't get into that. Another one is Zynga, ZNGA. See a weekly reversal here above $6.61. That's a 212. Another one that I like is lemonade. Lemonade at $47.12. You'll have a 2-2 rev on the week. Really like the setup there. Really like two of them that Boss Gang called out as well, and that's AT&T and CLF Cleveland Cliffs. I agree with everything he said on those. Just wanted to mention that. Another one that's in the healthcare sector that looks good, could potentially make a move here, and that's Teladoc. Ticker is TDOC. I see a reversal on the week above $98.90. So you'll get a 2-2 rev right there. And then the last one I have is also I have that two. The first one is MGM. And this one has a 2-2 rev on the week, and that's at the level of 42.53. So just above that, we'll get that reversal. And then I'm not sure if Boss Gang said Palantir either, but we thinking small caps. But Palantir, I really like the setup on that one as well as the price. So we got a weekly reversal at $19.12, and that'll be a 2-2 rev. So that's all I got on my list for the week, and that's what I'm looking at, FICO. So a lot of healthcare and small caps looks like, besides what we already in. So looks like rotation is happening.
So we had a technical difficulty. So I'm glad that you went through calling out your specific levels and the setup on each one. I don't know, Thinkorswim in the process of going through updates. I got way too many watch list scans, stuff like that open. So I don't know if that's the reason why it's not reading it. So I would implore anyone who is in the process of trying to find the right setup, if you go back, listen to the levels, I'm saying, that he called out specifically, it's going to be able to help guide you in terms of where you need to mark that level out, especially with the setup in general. That way, I'm saying, you won't be lost. I'll make sure that I go back through these. I'm gonna have to cut out screenshots and just kind of put those clips as far as I'm saying your setup was concerned. But man, the watch list is not going to be super dense. It's not going to be very complicated this week. We just moving specifically how we do every week, where the money resides. I'm pretty certain that many of the other pack members that are becoming deadly chartists are going to be posting a lot of the same similar setups, and somebody's going to be finding some heat in terms of where something is going to be moving going into Monday. I know being able to see what things, the way they working out pre-market, and something that's going to run a kind of confirmation. The homie True, that's what I'm saying. Well, he kind of became a sniper and very deadly for doing that. So what I'm saying, we're going to come together as a pack and get back to this chicken going into a short week right before Christmas, and have a very happy holiday. You know what I'm saying? Before we get up out of here, bros, y'all got anything that y'all want to share with the pack?
I mean, I think right now, man, you just gotta, it's the week before Christmas, so I think you just gotta pick your spots. I don't think you're gonna get like the normal action this week that you just got to know what stocks you're in, be in the right things. If not, just chill. It's the week before Christmas. Volume's going to die down as we get closer to Christmas. So you got to really know what you're doing. If not, just sit back. See you after Christmas. I mean, right now, just healthcare and consumer staples have been leading the way. We've got some individuals out of XLC that Boss Gang and Investing pointed out, like AT&T and Verizon. So it's there for you. Now if you jump out and try to get too smart, get too tricky, that's on you.
Get tricky.
Right.
Mhm.
Right.
Big facts.
So, we're gonna keep it simple.
What
Set
about
your
you,
levels.
Legacy Boss Gang?
Yeah, set your levels. Just set
Yeah,
your
man.
levels. Do your homework. Know your risk profile. Try to get some good entries. combo meals, get some time on some of these plays. They may never be this inexpensive again. So, you know, just manage the plays this week. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna make money. We're gonna make money. That's the main thing. We're gonna make money. We always do. So.
Yep. Don't get too much
Absolutely.
dip on your tip at the end of the year now.
Hey,
In the year, we're about to
that's for
start a whole
sure.
new.
And then I guess your point. Thank you. Just
Yeah.
about your wins and your losses, man. You may want to front your losses now, count them towards this year, and roll your wins into next year. So just kind of be aware of your tax situation and how that's going into next year as well. This was the last quarterly expiration. This was the last big move in money before the end of the year. So, you know, positions getting set for months, years on end. So, which right now you may not need the money till next year anyway. So, roll it over. If you want to pay it now, then pay it now. If you want to defer it to 12 months from now or a year from now, then you got that ability. So,
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure that you like, subscribe, share this video. You got individuals who they need some help. And that's what we are here for in this community specifically. Like Investing for Legacy tell you guys every week, we here because we want you to become more independent and more confident traders within yourself. Stop giving your money away to these gurus who keeping you under shackles because they want to make you feel like that they know something that you don't. When, to be honest, you know almost as much, if not more, than they do. So surround
I should
yourself
take
with a
that
great
as a
community that
insult.
wants to see you succeed.
Sure.
And until we meet again on Monday morning, peace, love, Godspeed. It's your boy FICO Jordan. We up out of here. Peace.
bing bong.
Yeah.